how to set C translation on Facebook app. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you enable these features like translation on Facebook app. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open the Facebook app with your account. Okay, so from here you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you have to scroll down and go the option setting and privacy, and now settings. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like preference. So on the preference section you'll have to go the options language and region. So simply tap on this. And now from here in the second options like language into which you would like to have post translated, so you have to tap on it. And now from here you'll have to choose the language whom you want to translate that post into the language. So I have select the English on this. Alright, so after you done this, from here whenever you see the post in other language you'll got options like to translate in the English language. So this is the easiest and simplest method to enable the functions like translation on Facebook app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.